The Charleston church shooting was a mass shooting on June 17, 2015, in Charleston, South Carolina, in which 9 African Americans were killed during a Bible study at the Emanuel African Methodist Episcopal Church. Among those killed was the senior pastor, State Senator Clementa C. Pinckney. 3 victims survived. This church is one of the oldest black churches in the United States, and it has long been a center for organizing related to civil rights. The morning after the attack, police arrested Dylan Roof in Shelby, North Carolina. The 21-year-old white supremacist had attended the Bible study before shooting. He was found to have targeted members of this church because of its history and stature. Roof was found competent to stand trial in federal court. In December 2016, he was convicted of 33 federal hate crime and murder charges. On January 10, 2017, he was sentenced to death for these crimes. Roof was separately charged with 9 counts of murder in the South Carolina state courts. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.